Downtown, I got that heat, let's go.
Hey, it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess. I want to make a quick video to show you how to get your Mint PIN and account number without having to speak to an actual customer service agent. That can sometimes be painful and time consuming. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you have an available line that's not using a Mint mobile SIM. You can also use a landline. Me, I'm going to use my visible wireless phone number to make this phone call. If you make this phone call using a phone with a Mint mobile SIM, it will connect you to a customer service agent. We're trying to get this pain-free without speaking with anyone, and we'll have it in text message form to use it anytime. Before we get started, I want to put out a quick disclaimer that the number being used in this video is not my personal number. This phone is within its last month of service, and I have not used it for anything other than this little mini companion phone. So if you want to dial this phone number thinking you will speak to me, you probably will not get an answer, because 99% of the time, this phone is not even turned on. Thank you. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my phone with the visible wireless SIM in it. I'm gonna unlock it. I'm gonna pull up my keypad so I can make a phone call. I'm gonna dial 1-888-777-0446.
Hello, and welcome to Ultra Mobile. To continue in English, press 1. If you are an existing customer, press 1. To activate, please enter the phone number you are calling about. To hear your account balance, press 1. To make your monthly payment, press 2. To ultra up with additional data or international minutes, press 3. To add to your wallet, press 4. To get your account number, press 5. Before you leave us, we would like to understand what we could have done better. Please select one of the following reasons on why you are leaving Ultra. If Ultra didn't support a feature you were looking for, press 1. If you have problems with a service,
We'll just press 1 for the sake of getting our account number. We don't care.
If the feature you are looking for is related to voice, press 1. If the feature is related to banking, we appreciate your feedback. Goodbye.
So then at that time, you hang up the call, and literally 1 minute later, I get a text message. And it's from Mint Mobile, and they gave me my account number and my PIN. So literally, that whole process may have taken 2 minutes, but that's the easiest way you can get your Mint Mobile account number and Mint Mobile PIN number without having to deal with customer service agent. Let's say you're not even leaving Mint. You might just want to have your account number and your PIN number handy just in case you do want to leave them at some point. So this is a useful method to get those things, even if you're not leaving Mint at the current time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Y'all stay safe out there.